Hello, today I'll be showing you how to add friends on Steam. When you open up Steam, go under your username and click on Friends. Here, click on Add a Friend. Now, if you have your friend's code, you can just enter it here. Or if you have his username, just type it in. Here, you can see all of the people that have the same username. You need to just find your friend, click on his profile and click on Add a Friend. Now you know how to add friends to Steam. Thank you for watching, subscribe and leave a like.